How to use ChatGPT, 5 ways you can use ChatGPT step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing how you can basically use ChatGPT, a brand new OpenAI software. And I'm going to be discussing all of it. I'm going to get into the depths and details of it, and I'm going to show you how to basically do not only just chat, do more with it. And I'm going to sign you up and walk you through all the basics and features of ChatGPT. So all I want you to do is listen to me clearly and till the end of the video and listen to all the information I have to give. And if you do that, then by the end of this video, you're going to properly know how to use ChatGPT in different ways. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first of all, what you need to do is obviously we're going to go to OpenAI. Now, what is OpenAI? OpenAI is basically, the name says it all. It's an artificial intelligence agency that obviously optimizes the future of technology, and it works on the future of technology. And it's just great. It basically shapes the future, and it basically makes these new projects and these new features regarding the AI of today. And their latest project is ChatGPT. It's a great project because ChatGPT basically makes life so much easier for you. And we're going to talk all about it, and I'm going to go through it all. Now, if you don't know how to use ChatGPT, all you need to do is you're going to come to the website and click on Try ChatGPT. And what that is going to do is they're going to bring you here to this dashboard. Obviously, first of all, they're going to ask you to log in with your OpenAI account, so you're going to log in with that. Let's say if you don't have an OpenAI account, what you can do is obviously create one. It's very simple and a very standard procedure. And once you're done with that, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, and this is what it's going to look like. So from here on out, we're going to start working with the different ways on how you can use ChatGPT. So the first thing that we're going to start with is just chat. Like if you're bored and you don't have any person to chat with, you can just chat around with ChatGPT like, hi, how are you doing? I'm just going to write that. Look at that. Hello. As an artificial intelligence, I do not have any feelings or emotions like humans do. Is there anything specific I can help you with today? Yes, I am feeling very bored. Being bored can be a common feeling, especially during times when you would be stuck at home. Here are a few suggestions for things you can try to do to alleviate boredom. And then obviously it starts telling you things to alleviate your boredom or just be entertained. Now, if you don't want to do these things and just talk, I just want to talk to you. Please entertain me. You can do that. And I'm happy to chat with you. Is there a particular topic you'd like to discuss, or would you like to have a more general conversation? We can talk about anything from current events or personal interest, or just have a casual chat. Let me know what you'd like to do, and I'll do my best to engage with you and provide some entertainment. Can you tell me some jokes? Let's say if you want to hear some jokes, here are a few jokes to help brighten your day. And yeah, it just starts telling you these nice jokes that you can read just to be a bit entertained. Or you can maybe talk about things like let's say can you tell me about the Titanic incident? Like, if you write that, the Titanic was a British passenger liner that was famously known for sinking, and then it tells you the whole story and controversy behind it. Basically, that is the chatting method that you can just chat and obviously have fun around ChatGPT. So, yeah, that is one way to utilize the ChatGPT services. Now, the other way is that you can ask it to basically write any story or fictions or a narrative essay or a descriptive essay or poems for you. And let's say, can you write me a horror narrative for people above the age of 18? Now, if you write that, sure, here is a horror narrative for the people above the age of 18. And then it starts writing a whole narrative that is obviously going to be for mature audiences. It was a dark, stormy night, and obviously you can see all these different. It uses great wording, and it uses a great storyline, great narrations, and it's just amazing. You can use these for your let's say university essays and stuff like that. Just make sure to make a bit changes for yourself before doing it for a university narrative, because it could be that they find out that this is a bit plagiarized. But yeah, this is how you can basically use or utilize this. And let's just say I had written a narrative. I can give it a specific topic. Can you write a descriptive essay about a funeral? It's a bit of a dark topic, but it's a good topic to write a descriptive essay. So can you write a descriptive essay? And obviously the funeral was a somber affair held in a small chapel on the outskirts of town. The room was filled with soft sounds of weeping, and obviously it just starts giving you all these things. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There is a whole lot more that you can do by using ChatGPT. Now, the third feature that you can use is that you can basically use it for your coding or Stack Overflow replacement, or maybe Python code to R. So let's say you want to translate a Python. Let's go and write Python code sample. I'm just going to ask for a sample, Python examples. Let's pick up a Python code real quick. To print hello world. This is the most simple Python code there is out there. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna write translate this Python code to R. And then you're gonna go down here, you're gonna paste the Python code, and we're gonna write that. To translate to R, you can use the cat function. And once you do that, the cat function is similar to the print function. Python is used to print output to the console in R. And obviously it tells you all these great things. And not only that, you can use big codes. Obviously this was the very easy code. I'm just going to do that. And look at that. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to paste it again. I'm just going to copy this. We can ask it again. Look at that. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to paste it here. And then I'm going to paste what we did that. And look at that. It's just going to read the code. It's going to read the code very carefully. And after it's done reading the code, what's going to happen is it's going to tell us the different product. And after all that is done, you can basically start using ChatGPT for your different Python code processing, or even start Stack Overflow. Look at that. It starts giving you this whole interface. To translate Python code to R, you can use the following equivalent code. Look at that. It even gives you a description regarding this. So look at that, how simple, great, and easy it is to use this. The fourth procedure is to obviously you can use it to as a Google replacement or a Google Assistant. For example, you want to search anything. When is the Independence Day of Pakistan? Just use all these different questions. Obviously, you write these questions on softwares like Google, but we just wrote it on ChatGPT, and look at that. It's going to give us the answer in a jiffy. And sometimes it takes a bit while because it's a new software, and it gets a bit crowded, so it takes like a few seconds. So yeah, look at that. It gives us the Independence Day that Pakistan was independent. And yeah, it just things that you use Google for. So you can use it as a Google replacement, and you can also use it. The fifth method is to use it as a Linux virtual machine. Obviously that is for the different coders, and you can mess around with Linux if you want to. But yeah, that is basically the 5 ways you can use ChatGPT, and this is how simple and easy it is. So if you liked the video, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know that as well. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.